Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can reset or change your GreytHR password. Okay, so right here, just have to go to your dashboard and then click on the settings at the top right of your screen. Here, just have to click on the My Profile section. That's right. And then here beside the profile, just click on the password. So in order for you to reset your password or change your password, is you just have to type out here your current password. And then after that, type out right here the new password that you want to create. So after typing out those details, you just have to click on save. Now, if you have forgotten your password and you want to reset your password, just have to go here on your profile once again and then make sure that the email that you are using is still active, because in that way, an email link or a reset link will be sent to your email so that you can change your password from there, or you can use an OTP code to change your password. So, that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.